Hey everybody, it's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have this 2017 Ultra Limited. It is in Velocity Red and Mysterious Red two-tone. And this bike has a lot of upgrades. It's had a lot of engine upgrades done to it. I don't know the full details. I'm pretty sure we have the build information here. It is a very stout running and sounding bike. Super nice bike. Can't remember how many miles. 16,700 miles. It does have some taller bars, upgraded Harley grips, mirrors, highway pegs on here. Really nice bike. LED turn signals in the front, some extra LED lights on the fairing here. Got this custom Corbin seat, brown leather with the cross stitching, got the matching side pieces and the tour pack back part there. Seriously, a lot of upgrades on this thing. Extra lights there, extra lights there. Got the SNS exhaust. This engine's pretty high compression. It can take a little bit to turn it over, so it'll sound like it's hesitating, but like I said, this thing's had a lot of work done to it. Really strong running bike. Gorgeous bike, too. Man, that throttle response is crazy. All right, you think this could be your next bike? Inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Come check this thing out in person. It's definitely one to see everything that's done to it, hear it run, all that good stuff, and check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. All right, y'all come see us.